Most people think of honey as nature's ultimate medicine, a liquid gold that heals the gut and boosts the immune system. But there's a massive deception sitting on your grocery store shelf. Recent lab tests have revealed a shocking truth. Millions of bottles labeled 100% pure honey are anything but. We're talking about honey that has been overheated until its nutrients are dead, ultra-filtered until its origin is untraceable, and sometimes cut with industrial sugar syrups that silently wreck your liver and metabolic health. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the 15 most untrustworthy honey brands in America. We'll expose the household names, from Walmart to Whole Foods, that might be selling you honey-flavored syrup in a fancy jar. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll give you the 5 cleanest brands on the market, and I'll show you 3 simple tests you can do in your own kitchen to spot a fake in seconds. Let's start with the giants. You'd think the biggest retailers would have the strictest standards. You'd be wrong. Number 1. Great Value by Walmart. The price is tempting, but the chemistry is a nightmare. Lab tests on Great Value raw and organic honey found HMF levels, a marker of heat degradation, over twice the normal limit. Even worse, samples showed mannose levels triple the norm, a classic fingerprint of syrup adulteration. Number 2. Trader Joe's Manuka. Even premium stores aren't safe. Trader Joe's faced a class action lawsuit when their 100% Manuka honey was tested. The result? It only contained about 60% Manuka pollen. At $14, it was too good to be true, as authentic Manuka usually costs 5 times that amount. Number 3. Good & Gather by Target. Target's premium line was called out for ultrafiltration. They stripped the pollen out entirely. Without pollen, you have no fingerprint. It's a generic sweetener with the soul of the honey ripped out. Numbers 4 and 5. The Pharmacy Trap at CVS and Walgreens. Many people buy honey at Walgreens or CVS thinking it's medical grade. It's actually the opposite. Texas A&M researchers found that 100% of samples from these pharmacies contained 0 pollen. It's legally not even honey. It's just honey-flavored corn syrup. Number 6. Berry Hill at Aldi. Aldi is great for budgets, but their Berry Hill Clover honey is a red flag. By removing all pollen, they make it impossible to track if the honey was illegally imported from places using banned antibiotics or heavy metals. Number 7 and 8. The supermarket staples, Publix and Kroger. Whether it's the beloved Publix or the massive Kroger chain, the story is the same. Extreme heat. They process their honey at such high temperatures that the enzymes and antioxidants are annihilated. You're left with grade A empty calories. Number 9. Whole Foods 365 Organic. Even the health mecca has a dark side. Their organic honey is often imported from South America and processed so heavily it's essentially industrial grade. Organic doesn't mean raw, and it certainly doesn't mean real. Numbers 10 and 11. The trusted icons, Sous Bee and Nature Nates. Sous Bee, an American staple for a century, was hit with lawsuits for removing pollen to hide the honey's origin. Even Nature Nates, which markets itself as 100% pure and raw, has been flagged for HMF levels so high they suggest the honey was stored poorly or overheated during bottling. Number 12. Smucker's, the sauce secret. Those little packets at fast food restaurants? Check the label. They often call it honey sauce. Why? Because lab tests found 0 pollen. It's a chemical cocktail designed to look like gold. Numbers 13 through 15. Members Mark, H-E-B, and Rite Aid. From Sam's Club bulk jugs to Texas favorite H-E-B, the trend remains ultrafiltration. If the honey is crystal clear and never crystallizes, it's a dead product. It's not all bad news. There are still beekeepers who honor the craft. If you want the real health benefits of honey, these are the only 5 brands we recommend. First, YS Eco Bee Farms. This is the gold standard. It's thick, creamy, and completely unpasteurized. When you open a jar, you're getting exactly what was in the hive, enzymes and all. Second, Be Well Honey. Based in South Carolina, this brand is like liquid sunshine. They preserve the natural pollen of blackberry and tulip poplar blossoms. It's multi-layered and medicinal. Third, Local Hive Honey by Rice's. They partner with local American beekeepers. Each jar tells you exactly which U.S. region it came from. It's True Source certified, meaning no illegal imports. Fourth, Lineage Provisions. This is for the purists. Hand-harvested from wild areas and tested for over 390 contaminants, including glyphosate. It's as close to wild honey as you can get. Fifth, Weatherspoon Manuka. If you need the antibacterial power of Manuka, don't buy the cheap stuff. Weatherspoon is independently tested for potency and pollen count. It's an investment in your health. So how do you protect yourself? Here are the 3 ways to spot a fake. 1. The eye and spoon test. Look at the honey. Real honey is rarely visually perfect. If it's slightly cloudy, that's a good sign because it means there's pollen and wax. Now, dip a spoon and lift it. Real honey forms a thick, continuous ribbon that curls at the end of the stream. Fake honey drips quickly like water or breaks into droplets immediately. 2. The label audit. Ignore phrases like 100% pure or all natural, as those aren't strictly regulated. Look for the words unfiltered and raw. Also, check the source. If it says a blend of US and international honeys, put it back. You want a single, traceable origin. 3. The certification seal. Look for the True Source certified logo. This is the only way to know the honey wasn't laundered through third-party countries to hide its origins. At the end of the day, your health is your most valuable asset. Don't let a $5 jar of honey-flavored sugar compromise your gut and your vitality. If you found this investigation helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and comment the word purity below. It helps the algorithm show this video to more people who need to hear the truth. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Winds of Thought. We're here to help you navigate the noise and find the truth in everyday life. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.